Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Samantha, Thrifty Finds on a Dime Boutique, and if you're new here, I resell things online for a profit. If this sounds like something you're interested in to make money part-time, full-time, or even just some extra cash for your family, make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video for some more great content to come. So I'm really excited to bring this video to you today over how to create a bundle on Poshmark. Now, I know you're like, I know how to create a bundle already. Well, keep watching because I'm going to share with you some tricks on how to create a bundle and make it effective even when somebody doesn't start the bundle. So say someone comes to your closet, likes a bunch of items, and then doesn't start a bundle and leaves. I will show you today how to create a bundle for them and submit an offer that is hard to refuse. And for me, this creates tons of sales that I wouldn't have had before on bulk amount of items. So that's great to get numerous items out of your closet and still make a buck off of it. So again, continue watching and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, guys. Okay, so to create a bundle, I go to likes. I will go to the share button at the top and type in the person's username, then click search, share it to them, go back, and I'll go into my closet, and at the top there's a shopping bag. Click that shopping bag, click into the new bundle created, and then you'll go to the center button of each listing and click add it. It's like a shopping bag with a plus sign. That's the easiest way to add all of these to a bundle. I like to submit an offer that's at least half off of what I'm asking, so I'll price all of my items accordingly so that I can allow for a half off bundle deal. And the reason why I do this is I'm still making a lot of money. This also piques someone's interest to buy a ton of items since they've liked a lot of items. I also will comment on their bundle because this will give them extra incentive to either come back to my closet or ask if they do have some questions on the items. This typically results in quite a few big bundle sales for me because you don't typically have lots of people come through your closet and hit like on a lot of items. Okay, I hope that made sense to you guys. I was trying to screen share how I do it on my phone because I do all of my work on my Poshmark from my phone or iPad. I rarely use the computer. I know they added that on recently, but I just know how to do it fast and efficiently on my phone. So one other thing I want to add is even if someone likes only one item, a great thing to do is go ahead and get a bundle started for them. So you're going to do exactly what I just did. You know, click on the like, share it to the individual, and then go to their bundle and let them know, thanks for viewing my item. If you have any questions, please let me know. Or I add tons of things daily, weekly, whatever you want to say. Just kind of be a little bit consistent and also make sure you are commenting because this will increase the likelihood of them checking out your closet and coming back to view other items they might be able to bundle with. So these are just some tips and tricks that you can implement, say 30 minutes to an hour of your business day. I'm not suggesting doing this all day long, every time someone likes it. I would say set a consistent time to do it daily. So I like to send offers to likers not when I first wake up. I usually spend an hour phone free. And then I will send offers to likers for the previous night. And I also do it one more time at night after I put my daughter to bed. This is just a personal preference, and I typically make sales doing this every time. I would say I do this 5 out of 7 days consistently both times. So whatever you do, just choose it for your model and figure out what works for you. I really appreciate you watching. Again, make sure you subscribe to this video and like this for some more awesome content to come. If you have a suggestion for another video, also drop that below in the comments or just say hi. I'd love to meet you and find out where you're from. Thanks again, guys. Have a great day.